Good morning, children. We have to study the remaining part of the lesson. The remaining part of the lesson we have to study now. What is remaining? Business and industry. For the last 3 days, we have been studying about business and industry. For the last 3 days, we have been learning about, we have been studying of business and industry. We have been studying or we have been learning about business and industry. Now the remaining part of the lesson we have to learn. The balance of the lesson or the remaining part of the lesson, business and industry we have to learn. What is there? In business and industry we have to study. See, hindrances there will be a different types. Important or major hindrances of business. What are the problems which are there before the industrial development of all the countries of the world? What are the hindrances or what are the problems which are there before the world countries in the case of development of industries? The major important hindrances which are there before the development of industries or business. First one is transportation. Transport hindrance or transport problem is there. Transport hindrance or transport problem is there in different countries of the world. Transport. Mainly in the land of India also. The problem of transport is there. In the land of India also, the problem of transport is there. Transport problem is there in the land of India also. Then what will be there? Because of transport problem, what will be there? Because of transport problem, the people will not be able to take their items from one place to another place. That means for industrial development or for business development, we want two things. What are those? We want raw materials. Raw materials are a must for the development of industries. Without raw materials, no industries will develop in the world without raw materials. But in the land of India, maybe transport facilities are quite inadequate. Road transport is not at all developed that much. Water transport also is not at all developed. And air transport also is not at all developed that much. Because of these things, what is that? Because of these things. What is happening there? Because of these things, raw materials cannot be taken from one part of India to another part of India. Then, after production, another important item is very important after production. After production, another important item is very important after production. That is market. Market is very important after production. Market. Then what is that? Market is very important after production. The produced goods or the finished goods should be marketed in the market. For that, a very good transport system is a must. But unfortunately, in the land of India, transport system is not at all so well developed. In the land of India, transport system or transport facilities not at all so well developed. As a result of these things, what is that? Industrial development is not at all possible in the land of India. Then, finance. Finance. What is that? Finance is the life blood of all the industries in the world of finance. Finance is known as the life blood of all the industries in the world. Without finance or without money, no industries in the world can function or flourish. For the easy development of industries, what is that? For the easy development or for the rapid development of industries, what is important? Finance is very important. For the easy development or for the rapid development of industries, finance is very important. Finance. Finance is very important for the easy development or for the rapid development of industries. But in the land of India, there is a problem of shortage of finance. In the problem of India, there is a shortage of the problem of finance. Finance is a short item in the land of India. Then, when there is shortage of finance, industrial owners can depend on two things. One is money lenders. Money lenders are those people who are giving finance to the people at a high rate of interest. When people are borrowing money from money lenders, such industries will decline gradually. Such a type of industries will decline gradually when they are borrowing money from the money lenders. Money lenders will destroy the peaceful atmosphere of industries. Money lenders will destroy or money lenders are destroying the peaceful atmosphere of industrial development. So that is the root. Another method is known as banking system. Banks. Money lenders can depend on banks. Money lenders can depend on banks. But nowadays, banks are not giving. What they are not giving? Nowadays, banks are not giving money to all the industrial entrepreneurs to start or to develop their industries. Banks are demanding different type of documents to give their loan to the industrial entrepreneurs or owners. Because of these things, now there is a shortage of finance. For the construction of a new industry, finance is must. Or for the development of an industry, finance is a must. But nowadays, what is happening? At present or nowadays, finance is not there. For purchasing raw materials, finance is a must. But industrial owners of India do have the problem of shortage of finance. In order to market the items, what should be there? In order to market the items, finance is an important aspect. So, finance is the lifeblood of industries, but Indian industries are suffering because of the shortage of finance. Indian industries are suffering because of the shortage of finance. The problem of storage. What is in the land of India, there is a problem of storage of goods. That means in an industry, what is that? In an industry, more items will be produced than what is necessary. For example, imagine that in an industry, 100 tons of sugar is produced per day. In one day, 100 tons of sugar is produced in one day in an industry, sugar industry. In one day itself, they cannot sell out the goods. In one particular day itself, they cannot sell out the goods. What they will do? They have to store, or they will store the items. They have to store, they will store the items. Somewhere, godowns or warehouses will be there. But in the land of India, warehouses or godowns or storing places are not there. Warehouses or storing places are not there in the world. Warehouses or storing places are not there in different industries. So, after production, suddenly all the industries are forced to sell out their goods. After production, all the industries are forced to sell out their goods. So, absence of storage or storage facilities are an important problem of industrial units of India. Absence of storage facilities. Another one is known as advertisements. You know the meaning and speciality of advertisements. The meaning and speciality of advertisements we know. If you are seeing TV channels, we can see different types of different categories of advertisements. In TV channels we can see advertisement about film, soap, medicines. All these type of advertisements can be seen in TV channels. Same advertisements can be seen in newspaper also. Same advertisements can be seen in newspaper also. Different types of or various categories of advertisements are there in newspaper also. Then what is the meaning of advertisement? Or what is the main aim behind advertisements? Main aim or idea behind advertisement. What is the main aim or what is the main idea behind advertisements? That we go to know. Main idea behind advertisements. Idea. The only idea of advertisements are give knowledge to the consumers regarding the product. Understood now? Regarding the product. Imagine that advertisement of one soap is coming on paper or TV channel. For example, soap. For example, Mudor soap. A soap known as Mudor soap is produced in Mudor, for example. Mudor soap is produced in the land of India, in the land of Mudor. Bathing soap. The soap is having very good quality, or bubbles are there more. But we don't know about Mudor soap. We don't know about Mudor soap. So that we are using other soaps which are produced by other companies. We are not at all using Mudor soap. We are using other soaps which are produced by other film companies. So, if we are making one advertisement, about the soap, what will be there? People will be able to know about the soap and they will use the soap. Then, film. Now it is a time of corona, film release has been suffering because of so many problems. But during the ordinary time, what is some parts of the film will be shown in the TV channel. Advertisement will be there. Advertisement of some films will be there in the TV channels. Then, on newspaper, what we can see? On newspaper, another advertisement will be there. From December 30 onwards, this film will be released, advertisement. So, by reading and seeing advertisement, people are understanding about the product. But nowadays, what is that? Advertisement is not at all developed that much. Advertisement is not at all developed that much in the land of India. So that people are not aware of, they are not thinking of the product. Then, insurance. Insurance means make sure. So, in an industry, there may be the possibility of fire. Sometimes, because of current problems or because of short circuit problems, fire may get inside one industry. In some other situations, in some other conditions, the enemies of an industry may keep fire inside the industry. So, fire problems may be there. Accident problems may be there in an industry. But nowadays in the land of India, insurance programs are less developed. Insurance programs or insurance methods are not at all developed in the land of India in the case of industries. So that what is industries are not at all developing that much in the land of India. Raw materials, kachas. Majority of the industries of India are suffering because of the shortage of raw materials. When there is a shortage of raw materials, industries of India are suffering a lot. Next one is market. Market. After producing the items, the goods should be marketed in the economy. Nowadays, market problems are there for majority of the industries of India. Now let's say once more, what are the hindrances of my industrial development? Why or how industrial development of India is damaged? Why or how? First one, transport. For bringing raw materials and send out finished products, what is a transport system is a must. But in the land of India, transport is not at all developed. Finance for purchasing raw materials and for selling the goods. Finance is a must. But what is happening in the land of India? In the land of India, finance is not at all available. Banks of India are not ready to provide money or loan to the industrial owners. Storage. After producing the items, what is that? After producing the items, in the land of India, in majority of industries, there is no chance of storing the items. Storage or storing the items are very difficult in the land of India. Storage facilities are not there in majority of the industries. Then advertisements, what is meaning? Giving publicity. The chance of giving advertisements are very less in the land of India. Insurance. So many accidents may happen inside the industries, but in the land of India, insurance facilities are not at all available that much in the land of India. Raw materials. In the land of India, there is a shortage of raw materials. Without raw materials, industries cannot develop. Market. After producing items, what is that? After producing items, the good should be marketed in the economy. But in the land of India, marketing facilities are not at all there. Dear children, now we will study about business ethics. What are the ethics which are there in the field of business? Nowadays, all the industrial owners, nowadays or at present, all the industrial owners are investing money only for getting profit. Nowadays or at present, people are very greedy. They want more and more than greed. Nowadays, people have more greed. They are running after profit or money. Nowadays or at present, people are running after money. All the people are in need of more and more money. People want more money. All are running after money, profit. So, for getting profit, what is that? People will do everything. What they are doing, everything. Adulteration, they will do. What is the meaning of adulteration? Adding some artificial or unnecessary things in some items. That is adulteration. For best example, I tell you. In some places of India, what is that? In some places of India, people are having the habit of adding something to chili powder. The color of chili powder is red. People will add, what they will add? Some other artificial things into the chili powder, having red color. Understand? Adulteration. And imagine that people are going to purchase sheep meat. The meat of other animals may be added to it by the people. Adulteration. Adulteration will destroy the quality of the goods. At the same time, adulteration will destroy the health of the people also. For getting maximum profit, people are doing adulteration of goods. Another thing is, what is that? People may give wrong weights and measures. That is another special case. People want more profit. And imagine that we are going to the shop. We are going to the shop. Then what we are doing? We are going to the shop. When we are going to the shop, what is happening? We are purchasing 1 kilo of sugar. But when we came to the house, what we understood? When we came to the house, we understood that 1 kilo sugar is not there. Only 100 gram is reduced. The particular shopkeeper reduced 100 grams, reducing the weights and measures. And we purchased 1 liter of oil. We purchased 1 liter of oil from the shop. When we reached the house, we measured it clearly. We understood that 100 milliliter is not there. Weights are reduced. So many adulterations, reduction of weights and measures are followed by the business people. This is a main problem of each one. This is an important problem of India. Understand now? Then, the main idea of the government of India is to make sure best quality items. That is the main idea of the government of India. What the government of India can do in this type of situation? Government is preferring to provide best quality items to the people. Government set up ISI, Indian Standard Institute. What is in government of India set up Indian Standard Institute, ISI. All the industrial product and agricultural products should be shown to these people. All the products which are produced from industries are shown to this institute. And if the products are good, or if the products are having good quality, they will provide ISI mark. If the product is good, they will provide ISI mark. What is the meaning of this one? Indian Standard Institute mark. All the items are not getting ISI mark. Every item or all the items will not get ISI mark. Only those industrial products, which have more quality or value will get ISI mark. Only those industrial products which have more quality or value will get ISI mark. If on a product, if there is ISI mark on a product, what we have to understand? We have to understand that product is good, ISI mark. Central government of India made this kind of initiative in order to guarantee the life of Indian people, in order to make sure or in order to guarantee the life of the Indian people. Central Indian Standard Institutes are made by the government of India. Then ACMA. What is ACMA? ACMA means agricultural grade mark. All the agricultural goods which are produced should get ACMA mark from Indian Standard Institute. If ACMA mark is there on one, if ACMA mark is there on one agricultural product, that shows that product is having more quality. Dear children, once more we will study about business ethics. What is the meaning of the word ethics? What is the meaning of the word ethics? Ethics are those things which we have to keep or show in our life. Those things which we have to show or keep in our life is known as ethics. No one or nobody will ask us to keep our ethics. It is not a punishable offense. There is no guarantee that we have to keep our ethics. No guarantee. In no textbooks we can see about business ethics. Ethics is a part of our culture. Ethics. Ethics is a real part of our culture. Ethics. It is better if we are keeping ethics in our life. It is good. Or it is better if you are keeping ethics in our life. It is an ethical thinking that we have to respect the teachers. If a person is not respecting the teachers also, there will be no problem, no punishment will be there. But it is a part of our culture. Then we have to respect the parents. We have to respect our parents. It is a part of ethics. But if we are not respecting our parents, what is that? If we are not respecting our parents also, what will be there? No punishment will be there. But it shows that it is part of our ethics that we have to respect the parents. It is a part of our ethics. We have to show mercy, karuna towards the poor people. But if a person is not showing karuna towards a poor man, nobody will punish him. It is an ethical thinking that we have to show karuna towards those people who are suffering from disease, roga. A person is not ready to show sympathy towards diseased people. He cannot be punished by law. It is part of our culture. But everywhere, people are showing so many types of ethics. It is a part of our life. In the field of business also, what is that? In the field of business also, we have to show some ethics. Ethics is a must in business. We have to show ethics in business. Then, nowadays, all the industry owners are investing money in the field of business for getting profit. Without getting profit, no one or nobody will do any type of business. Without getting profit, no one or nobody will do any business. Profit is a part of our business. Profit is a real part of our business. But all the industrial owners should expect only moderate profit or minimum profit. But nowadays, what is the majority of the industrial owners nowadays are expecting more profit or extra profit they are expecting. More profit or extra profit they are expecting nowadays. Majority of the industrial owners, they are expecting extra profit or more profit they are expecting. Extra profit or more profit they are expecting. That is one specialty. More or extra profit they are expecting. So, they are suffering because of greed. They want more. So that they will do more bad things in the field of industry. They will do adulteration. They may keep some artificial things with the original things. When they are adding artificial things, the health of the people will be disturbed and the quality of the goods also will be disturbed. Weights and measures. When we are purchasing some items from the shop, what is that? When we are taking on, when we are purchasing some items from the shops, correct weight or measurement will be there for the items. Correct weights or measurement will be there for the items. But Sometimes the trader or businessman will cheat the person. Then Indian Standard Institute. What is the meaning? Government of India made so many plans to ensure the standard of the items. Government of India really made so many plans to ensure the standard of the items. How they can ensure the standard items? Indian Standard Institute has been made by Indian Standard Institute has been made by the government of India or central government. Then all the industrial products are checked here. Here they are checking all the industrial products. Which product is having more quality? For those products, ISI mark will be given by ISI mark will be given by the Industrial Institute, Indian Standard Institute. If there is an ISI mark, what is the meaning? If there is a presence of an ISI mark, it shows that that product is good. In order to ensure good quality items to the consumers of India, Indian Standard Institute has been made by government. AGMA. On very good agricultural products, AGMA will be printed by the government, central government of India. If there is AGMA on a product, it shows that that product is good. Dear children, you observe this video. Read the same topic in the textbook. If you do have doubts, you please call me in person. Thank you.